Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Apollo Group TV error code 404. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to access live TV channels. But instead of loading, they see a spinning blue circle or the message status code 404. Some users have reported that this happens frequently, especially with certain channels from different regions. In many cases, this issue is caused by a downed URL or servers having too many requests due to high traffic. Now let's go through the possible fixes for the error. First, close Apollo Group TV completely and restart your device. Once restarted, open the app and check if the error still appears. If the error persists, check if Apollo Group TV needs an update. If an update is available, install it and see if this resolves the issue. If the error still comes up, try deleting the app and reinstalling it. After reinstalling, log back in and check if the error is fixed. If none of the previous steps work, the issue might be on Apollo Group TV's end. The service could be down, or the channel's URL might be temporarily unavailable. In this case, wait for a few hours and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.